Hello everyone, this is Neha and welcome to the channel called Man Marzia, where we'll bring you with some exciting unique career option. So let's start. Cosmetic technology is less known to many people and many are misled by assuming it to be a parlor course. It's actually not. It's a blend of pharmacy and chemical engineering, concentrating essentials related to cosmetics and its technology. It's an emerging and an amazing course. In this video, we'll talk about what actually the cosmetic technology course is about. And we'll also talk about the eligibility criteria and list of some popular organization where you can find these courses are offered and what will be the future aspects of it. Okay, now we'll get some information about what is cosmetic technology. It is a cosmetology course. The course gives you an extensive training in cosmetic formulations, manufacturing, analysis and marketing. As in cosmetic chemist, you will be able to develop a test skin creams, makeups, perfumes and other beauty products. You are likely to work on the research and development team of any cosmetic companies. Now we'll talk about the eligibility criteria and the duration of the course. A minimum aggregate score of 50% is needed at your 10+2 level. You can have physics, chemistry, biology or maths as your main subject to study at your 10+2 level from any recognized educational board. This course is of duration of 4 years with a semester pattern. This means that you will be having 2 semesters in 1 year. Here I have listed some of the UGC approved institutes which offer this course, but please don't limit yourself with this. You can go for more searches on this and let me know if you found something other than this in the comment section. I have also mentioned their website where you can find more details about their admission process. Now we'll talk about what will you do after doing this course, what are the future aspects of it. So you can be a sales manager at food and cosmetic ingredients company. You can be a brand manager of cosmetic companies. You can choose for cosmetic business development manager. You can be a manager in research and development team of a color cosmetic company. And of course you can go for teacher and lecturership as the other options for this career. And you can obviously go for higher degree like masters and PhD in this course. So I hope you will like this. If you want more such videos, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.